Hello YouTube, here's something you don't see every day on every channel. But anyways, I tore apart this engine and took off the front cover. As you can see, the big shaft here is the camshaft with the cam gear. It's a geared engine. There's no timing chain or timing belts. Cam gears. And a small gear here, and this assembly is the governor gear with the flyweights behind it. Yeah, the gasket fell apart, of course, when I took it apart. If we look in here, we can see the crankshaft. The valves popped out. You have your exhaust and your intake's supposed to be bigger. Exhaust is thicker stem. Oh, it's pretty hard to tell which valve is which now. Oh, that's why these are the tappets for the valves. That's right, the valves are still here. Those are the tappets that push up on the valves. And yeah, there's your crankshaft, which the inside looks pretty nice. It doesn't actually look worn or crazy. But let's check these cam gears. These cam gears, though, if you look at the lobes on the camshaft, they are pretty worn. You could feel grooves in them. So this is at its life for the camshaft, but probably would have still been good. Anyways, that's the inside of this engine, and the block itself isn't in that bad of a shape, but it's not worth saving these blocks because people sell used engines for 50-60 bucks that are running. Why would you get a block? And then again, this bore might have expanded due to the piston, but we'll see here. Wow, it's hard to turn this over for some reason. Oh, probably because no, it's not hard to turn over. Okay, there we go. Let's see how it looks when you turn this over. Wow, look at the oil coming out of there. I'm pretty sure those bad rings that caused this. Although, you can still see the hash marks on the bore, which is pretty cool that after, unless this engine was rebuilt, that after 48 years, engine made 1972, of use, and this thing was pretty much used hard and put away wet and left outside, you can still see the hash marks, unless, of course, it was rebuilt at some point. And then, yeah, that's, I don't know. We'll see. I'll take the piston rod out, and we'll see what happens.